Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on dialing numbers on the Seat Arona infotainment system. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Learn how to dial phone numbers from the Seat Arona infotainment system. Tap Phone to the left of the screen. Then tap Dial Number in the bottom left. Then dial the number that you would like to call. Tap the phone button to place the call. The call will be placed on the infotainment system. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.